Hello! In front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Today I'll show you how to turn on and off Incognito mode in Google Maps. First, let's go to Play Store and type Google Maps. Update it. And open Maps. Now, tap button in the right corner and Incognito mode should be right here. If they're not, reset app and open it again. As you can see, now we've got turn on Incognito mode function in here. Tap on it and now you're incognito. To turn it off, again tap a button in the right corner and turn off Incognito mode. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.